อย่าลืมกด subscribe Healthy Center กดปุ่มรูปกระดิ่งเพื่อเปิดการแจ้งเตือนจะได้ไม่พลาดการรับชมคลิป
The innovation product that can kill all the dust mite, it will help make your life more easily.
The mites can just sneak into your clothes, and then you just wrap up your clothes and put in your suitcase and bring back home, and they will grow up at your house. These are the dust mite. They are crawling around. They are moving. Okay.
It is the dust mite really danger that much?
They cause the problem to our health. So the dust mite basically they cause us the allergy. So actually, dust mite are small animals. They normally live with us.
Yes.
In the mattress, in beddings, and every day they grow, they defecate, and their feces are the allergens that cause the allergic symptom to the patients. If you expose to the dust mite for a long time, you can develop the allergy. So you have to control them into small amount.
It might be cause to death either. Is there
in some patients, especially in foreign country, they can cause like asthma, which cannot breathe. So that can bring to death.
How about innovation? What kind of how deep that we can we just get rid of totally?
When we use the steam with the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, we steam to all of the bed, all part that dust mite will get in, and then we switch the bed upside down and then steam again one more time. All of the dust mite will be die.
How many times a month?
One time a month.
That's enough? That is sufficient?
Yeah.
Oh. Is there any other way to get rid of the dust mite?
Actually, two of these way are the most easiest one, because if you use another kind of the product, for example, like the mattress, the cover anti-dust mite, that one can protect the dust mite for a while, and then if the time maybe more than 6 months or 1 year, the quality will drop down, and we have to change again and again. But if we have the innovation machine, we can use it for more than 3 years or 5 years. Yeah, that's right. It will be more easy. Normally the vacuum cleaner, this one can kill some of the dust mite, because the normal vacuum cleaner, they have the HEPA filter, but the HEPA filter sometimes is not small enough to catch the dust mite, because the dust mite is very small, more than
very tiny. You cannot even
0.03.
tiny.
So the vacuum machine, the dust mite, when take it, it will leave from the back side of the machine. There's only way that can clean all of the dust mite is the water filter system.
How does it work?
It's worked by the water is the filter that will protect all of the dust mite not come out from the machine.
So it's available. Everybody, this is a home use?
Yeah, this is home use. And normally some of the big hotel, such as the 5-star in up country, in another country, they have been using for a long time. For example, like USA, Canada, and European country. But in Thailand, it's very new.
So I want to ask you, Dr. Nat, what different between what do you call dust mites and other mites?
Dust mite, they are, as I told before, dust mite are very small animals. They are very tiny, so it's about 0.3 millimeter long, and they don't bite, and they don't eat the blood. They don't suck the blood. They just eat the skin scale. It doesn't like other mites or other pests, like bird mites. They suck the blood. They bite us. But these mites, they just stay in the mattress. They eat only skin scale or even the mold spores. That's it. And they can live with us. As I have done the research, so every house has dust mites in the house.
Every house.
But some houses are low, some houses have many mites.
Let's come back to Kun Tirapun.
Yes.
Maybe one kind of you are introducing that such of the innovation machine.
Yeah.
So this is Thai
Yeah.
made or foreign?
Okay, all of the products
Please
have
tell us.
been imported from another country. This is the technology of the German,
Okay.
America, and Canada.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Because in Thailand, there is no kind of machine that have been produced here. Just only import from another country.
Yeah.
Because the other country, they have the factory, they have the people, the scientists who develop all things that can improve every new innovation that can kill that's my more easy day by day. So right now, the most popular country in the world that using this kind of machine is America.
Okay. But air condition doesn't have anything to do with it? It's only the bed?
No,
Only
little
the
bit.
They only like the bed?
Yeah, because it's heavy. They cannot fly.
Oh,
It's
because
too
they
heavy.
Oh, I see. So this is it's heavy?
Yeah,
By the
even 0.3 millimeter, they are heavy. They cannot fly.
They don't have a wing.
No.
They don't-
The
crawl.
particle that can fly should less than about 10 micron, very little.
So my last question to you, Doctor, how do they to secure themselves, to be aware of all these kind of things? You have any suggestion to the people?
Okay, yes. If you are aware of the dust mite in your house, you just easily just cleaning your house regularly, probably once a week. Whatever you use for cleaning, probably from the bed, just remove the bed. If you can carry for the sun exposure, you just expose to the sunlight. If you can use vacuum cleaner, you just vacuum them. That's it. If you need the steamer, or you just ask the company to provide a steam cleaner.
We have heard from the expert from the health side. Now we're going to listen to Kun Tirapon and Mr. Thiripon to tell us, to show us. Could you show us the equipment or
Yeah.
the machine?
Sure.
How does it work and all that?
Sure.
Okay.
We have bring all.
Let's go and have a look then.
These are the dust mite. They are crawling around. They are moving. Okay.
Okay, and this is the real dust mite on the demon bed. And the next one, we are going to show you how to get rid of all of it. Okay, first of all, let's take a look at the water here. It's very crystal clear and it's very clean from the first at the beginning. This one, they have the power nozzle, and the power nozzle is very strong enough that can take all of the dust mite deep around 10 cm. And as you can see here, we will take all of the dust mite. One more. After hitting the bed, and the dust mite will jump out and then can suck into the water. Then after this, we will show you all the dust mite has been gone already for a few minutes. Okay. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, all of the dust mite have gone away already for a few minutes after we have using the technology innovation from Canada. As you can see here, this is the microscope camera that can zoom 1,000 times, and then all the dust mite have been disappear already. Let's take a look at the dust mite from the machine that we have sucked it out. This machine suck all of the dust mite out of the bed, and let's see the result of this one. All of the dust mite are here with a very little space. And the next one, we are going to show you how to kill it immediately with the steam machine from America. The first thing that you have seen here, this is the real dust mite that is on the bed, and there are more than 10,000 around here. Let's take a look. Okay, move. All dust mite have been gone already with the steam machine of the 100 degrees Celsius. This one is very easy to take all of the dead dust mite. Okay, and then we are going to show you. And the next one, we are going to show you the real dust mite that have been died on the water after suck it out from the bed. And then we can zoom and take a look inside the water. Okay.
So there are several ways to get rid of the dust mites. This technology is one option that you can choose to get rid of the dust mite from your mattress and the beddings, even vacuum cleaner or the steamer, or even you like anything that can get rid of the mice, you can choose that for your own preference.
Right, so we have to end up our program by the thanks to Mr. Thirapon Kiti Jarurat, Dust Mite Innovation Expert, Dr. Nat Malainuan, Dust Mite Expert, and also Mr. Thitipon Kiti Jarurat. He also Dust Mite Innovation Experts. All of these people have the heart to make things better for our life. So we can just choose your own choice and see what we can do for the world. We always say goodbye to the audience.
Okay.
Right.
สวัสดีครับ